Hello, and welcome to Manifesting Miracles channel. I'm really glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about something that frustrates many people on the manifestation journey. Have you ever tried to manifest something, money, success, opportunities, and nothing seemed to happen? You visualize it, you think about it, you even say affirmations, but reality doesn't change. So what's going wrong? Let's talk about why your manifestation may not be working and how you can fix it. The law of attraction is often misunderstood. Many people believe that manifestation is simply about thinking positively. But manifestation isn't just about thoughts. It's about alignment between thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. And when those three things are not aligned, the universe receives mixed signals. Here are the most common reasons why manifestation doesn't work. Reason number one, your emotions don't match your thoughts. You might be saying, I am wealthy, but inside you feel fear, doubt, worry. The universe responds much more strongly to emotion than to words. So if your thoughts say abundance, but your emotions feel scarcity, your energy is still broadcasting scarcity. And that's what reality reflects. Reason number two, you are focused on the lack of what you want. This is one of the biggest blocks. Many people constantly think about what they want, but from a place of not having it. For example, I wish I had more money. I need more money. I hope money comes. But every time you repeat these thoughts, your mind reinforces the idea that money is missing. And manifestation always mirrors the dominant focus of your mind. Reason number three, your subconscious beliefs are blocking you. Even if you consciously want abundance, your subconscious mind may hold beliefs like, money is hard to get, I'm not lucky, I'm not good with money. These hidden beliefs act like filters, and they quietly shape the reality you experience. Until those beliefs change, manifestation becomes very difficult. Reason number four, you're trying to control the timing. Another common mistake is trying to force the universe to deliver something immediately. Manifestation works through alignment, not pressure. When you constantly check if it's happening, when you feel impatient, you shift into an energy of lack and urgency, and that energy blocks the flow. How to fix your manifestation. So how do you change this? First, focus on your emotional state, not just your thoughts. Ask yourself, how would I feel if this manifestation was already real? Then begin practicing that feeling now. Second, start replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of thinking, money is hard to get, shift toward, opportunities are always finding me. And finally, practice gratitude for what already exists in your life. Gratitude shifts your energy faster than almost anything else. And when your emotional frequency rises, manifestation becomes much more natural. Manifestation is not magic, it's alignment. When your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs begin moving in the same direction, reality eventually follows. So if your manifestation hasn't worked yet, it doesn't mean it's impossible. It simply means something inside needs to shift first. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because here on Manifesting Miracles channel, we talk about manifestation, abundance, and the power of your mind to create your reality. And one more thing, in the link in the description, there is an audio that changed my life. You might want to check it out.